So you're looking for local SEO resources that could help you learn, obviously, local SEO and more stuff about it. In this video, I'll be covering exactly that. And obviously, the first resource is my channel, but other than that, I'll be listing all of them. And just remember, it's not in order of importance or in order of, the rankings. I have just mixed all of them. So let's get started without any further ado. Just a quick shout out to gbpranker.com. If you're looking for an audit tool that doesn't cost an arm and a leg, costs like $7 a month, but gives you real reasons why you are not ranking, why your competitors are ranking in Google Maps, that tool has got you covered. Now let's look at the resources that you can watch or read and learn local SEO. So the first one is my channel, obviously, but other than that, the first one is Greg Morrison Media. All of these channels that I'm talking about, these are not your usual famous, influencers. These are real people. I might not know them personally, but I know their SEO stuff, and I do think it's valuable. So the first guy is Greg Morrison. He has a lot of experience in marketing, something like 20 years. He is also having some sort of paid academy and all. I really don't know about that, so I can't suggest that. But yeah, if you are already into SEO for a couple of years, like you're into SEO for at least 2 or 3 years, this is gonna help you, because he does a lot of SEO tests and tells you if it moves the needle or not. He's the first one. Then we have got second, Ahrefs, obviously the biggest SaaS in SEO industry. I don't really know the numbers, but I'm just talking users perspective. This is a big channel, and this channel tells you a lot about marketing from SEO and really detailed SEO, to be honest. And these guys are not trying to promote their tool in every single video. These guys are genuinely helping you craft a better SEO strategy. They are not just helping you in SEO but also marketing. So yeah, it's for sure worth a subscribe. Then you have got Semantic Mastery. Again, this channel is only useful for you if you have been in SEO for quite a few years, because again they talk in a bit depth. They talk a bit jargon and stuff like that. So yeah, you do need to know about SEO already. But yeah, these guys know their shit. I know one of the person from Semantic Mastery. I guess he's the main guy. But yeah, he kind of publishes a lot of videos as well. Then you have got Charles Flood, a great guy. I've seen him speaking at a couple of masterminds. I met him in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Again, he knows the shit. I would for sure suggest to watch his videos. If you're especially into e-com and national SEO, this is a channel for you. Not certainly for local SEO, because he doesn't publishes a lot of local SEO specific videos. Then you have got Salib. I don't really know how to pronounce his name, but should be Salib or Caleb. Sorry, mate, if I'm mispronouncing your name. But yeah, he's a great guy. Talks a lot about local SEO, and he does know his stuff as well. So yeah, for sure worth a subscribe. If you see, I've subscribed to him as well. Then Jackie Chow, another great guy. He's more of a marketer than local SEO guy, to be honest. He's been into local SEO, if I'm not wrong, for an year only. But yeah, he has been into SEO for a couple of years already, and he does know his shit. I'm not, I won't really suggest him specifically for local SEO, since I do think there are other people who have been more into local SEO and who have done pretty great research in the local SEO specifically. But yeah, Jackie does know his shit. He's a really good marketer, a really good SEO. So yeah, worth a subscribe. And especially he talks about Reddit, he talks about omni-channel marketing. He doesn't really just talk about local SEO or stuff like that. So yeah, worth a subscribe. Then you have got Chris Palmer, a great guy. I met him again in a conference, and he's probably one of the best local SEO I would say on the internet. He has done a lot of research, manages hundreds of clients, and yeah, he is someone who's a nerd when it comes to local SEO. So worth a subscribe for sure. The last one, this is a blog, fatrank.com. I know the owner. Man, this has to be the best internet marketing blog on the blog, when it comes to SEO, specifically. Not just SEO, but the website also contains some stuff about mindset and other stuff. But I'll promise you one thing, this is worth the read. It is fatrank.com. You can go to the site and read this. None of these mentions that I've mentioned in this video, none of them were a promotion. So yeah, and yeah, just the thing, take every recommendation from any SEO influencer or any blog post or stuff like that with a pinch of salt, because SEO really depends on a lot of other factors, and you need to also consider those. So yeah, that was all for today's one. I hope you like this. If you have got any other question, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Have a great day.